Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Learning Never Ends. In my previous videos of class 9th, chapter number 9, Force and Laws of Motion, I have explained all the examples, all the numericals, as well as all the in-text questions of numericals as well as some theory questions. In this video, I will discuss all the exercise questions of page number 128, sorry. So let's start. Class 9th, chapter 9, text questions exercise, page number 128. Okay, so let's start. The first, second and third, fourth all are the theory questions. So I will explain only the numericals. As numericals में प्रॉब्लम होती है स्टूडेंट्स को, so मैं only numerical समझाऊंगी. Fifth question is a numerical. A truck starts from rest and rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. So a truck starts from rest, so its initial velocity is denoted by u, that is 0 meter per second. It travels a distance of 400 meter in 20 seconds. So s equal to 400 meter and time equal to 20 seconds. Find the acceleration. So a equal to v minus u अपॉन t एक फॉर्मूला होता है, एक हमारा न्यूटन्स की इक्वेशन होती है, थ्री न्यूटन्स इक्वेशंस आर देयर. v इक्वल टू u प्लस ए टी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, s equal to ut plus half at square, that is the second Newton's equation, and 2as equal to v square minus u square. This is the third Newton's equation. So here we can use second equation. Why I can't use first equation? Because v is not given. So s equal to ut plus half at square में use करूँगी. So s is 400, ut means 0 into 20 plus half of a is question mark 20 square. So 400 here, 20 square means 400 upon 2 equal to a, this is 200. So 400 upon 200, that is a equal to 0 cancel out, so 2. So 2 meter per second square. So meter per second square is the unit of acceleration. And now force भी find out करना है. मास हमारे पास given है 7 tons. 1 ton equal to 1000 kilograms. So 7 tons means 7000 kilogram. Right? Now force equal to ma. This is the formula of force, mass into acceleration. Here m is 7000 and a is 2. So 14,000 Newton. Newton is the unit of force. So fifth question has done. Now question number 6. If you have any problem in any question, then you can ask me in a comment box. Sixth question is a stone of 1 kg is thrown. So m equal to 1 kg is thrown with a velocity of 20 meter per second across the frozen surface of a lake and comes to rest after traveling a distance of this. So initial velocity of stone is 20 meter per second. Then वो rest में चला गया तो v 0, because rest में velocity कितनी होती है? 0 होती है, potential energy होती है only. Now distance is 50 meter, right? What is the force of friction between the stone and the ice? So force again F equal to ma. Here m is given but a is not given here. So again s equal to ut plus half at square हम यूज़ कर सकते. हम इसमें थर्ड इक्वेशन यूज़ करेंगे, बिकॉज थर्ड इक्वेशन का हमारा सब कुछ हमारे पास गिवन है. सेकेंड और फर्स्ट हम इसलिए यूज़ नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज टाइम इज़ नॉट गिवन हेयर. सो 2 एक्सीलरेशन इज फाइंड आउट करना है. s is 50, v square means 0 square minus of 20 square. So it is 100, 50 into 2, 100a equal to minus of 400. So a equal to minus of -1 meter per second, sorry, -4 meter per second square, right? Because 0 0 cancel out, so -4 meter per second square is the acceleration here. Find out क्या करना था हमें, फोर्स फाइंड आउट करना है. So F equal to ma. So F equal to m is 1 kg and this is -4, so -4 Newton is the force here. Done. Now 7th question. A 800 kilogram engine pulls a train of 5 wagons each of 2000 kilogram along a horizontal track. If the engine exerts a force of, तो एक F given है 40,000 Newton and second force is due to the here mass is given 8,000 of engine plus 5 into 5 wagons are there and 2,000 per wagon, so 5 into 2,000 that is 8,000 plus 10,000, that is 18,000 is the total mass. M equal to 18,000 kilogram here. Now force here 40,000 is the force exerted by the engine and frictional force is 5,000. So total force is, because frictional force is negative because it always retard, so 40,000 minus of 5,000 that is 35,000. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट का यही आंसर होगा, माइनस कर देंगे दोनों को. एंड सेकेंड पार्ट में हमें एक्सीलरेशन फाइंड आउट करना है. फोर्स हमें ये पता है, मास हमें गिवन है 18,000, सो F इक्वल टू ma here. F is 35,000 divided by mass that is 18,000 equal to a. So 0 0 0 0 cancel out, 1 point something is the answer. You can, मैं डिवाइड करके बता देती हूँ, 35 18 that is 15 minus 8 7 2 minus 1 1, so 1.0 1.9, so it is 162. 10 minus 2 is 8, so it is 6, so 8. Now 0, then so 1.94 acceleration meter per second square. Done. So 8th question has done. Now question number 7th question has done, sorry. Now 8th question. An automobile vehicle has a mass of 1500 kilogram. What must be the force between the vehicle and road if the vehicle is to be stopped with a negative acceleration? So negative acceleration means minus 1.7 meter per second square. Here F equal to ma. Force find out करना है आपको. So F equal to 1500 into 1 minus of 1.7, whatever be the answer, multiplication of them is the answer. It is in Newton. ठीक है, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन बताइएगा. होपफुली आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन आता है, अदरवाइज मैं बताऊंगी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 11th. Two objects each of mass 1.5 kg are moving in the same straight line but in opposite directions. So m1 equal to 1.5, m2 is also same because their masses are same, so m2 is also 1.5, and the velocity of each object is before collision means initial velocity is denoted by u and final velocity is denoted by v. u1 is 2.5 meter per second square and u2 is minus 2.5 meter per second square because they are in opposite direction, so negative is here. If they are in same direction then there will be positive, but in this question this is negative because of opposite direction. Now after collision वो स्टिक हो गए. अब उस स्टिक हो गए मीन्स दो चीज़ें अगर कोई स्टिक हो जाती हैं तो ऑब्वियसली उनकी वेलोसिटी भी सेम होती है. because they move together. So v1 equal to v2 equal to v, right? Let now, according to the law of conservation of momentum, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, right? So here m1 is 1.5, u1 is 2.5 plus m2 is 1.5, u2 is minus of 2.5 is equal to m1 is 1.5 plus 1.5 और v1 v2 v, right? So 1.5 into 2.5 is, ये आपको सॉल्व करना होगा और जो भी v की वैल्यू होगी मीटर पर सेकेंड में वो आपकी होगी. ये आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताइएगा, देन आई विल लेट यू नो, राइट? Thank you so much for watching this video. This is my first video of exercises. Otherwise, in my previous video, I have discussed all the examples as well as in text questions. Please, आप ये पार्ट 1 है, पार्ट 2 में बनाऊंगी. उसमें ये पार्ट 1 में 11 क्वेश्चन तक है. आगे के क्वेश्चंस मैं पार्ट 2 में करूँगी. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैं दोनों लिंक दूँगी, आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं. प्लस मैंने प्लेलिस्ट भी बनाई हुई है क्लास 9 साइंस के नेम से, तो आप वहाँ से भी मेरी वीडियोस देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच.